bird inside the copier? Huh? The customer's complaint is that there's a bird inside. Come on, guys. How a bird? Let's check if it is really a bird. No, not really a bird, it's a gear. He stops squeaking when I poke him with flat screwdriver. So, possible, something is with him, why he keeps tweeting. Okay, there it is. The shaft of this gear is full of rust. That gives us an annoying birdie sound, from warming up, until you finish a photocopy. He stops singing now, because we poke him earlier, but we're not done yet. Birdie baby, Mr. WD-40 is coming. There you go, haha. In addition of some annoying sounds from the same model, this bypass drive section also has an unusual sound. Old grease sticks inside the shaft. That's it for today, see you next time. Bye bye.